BRAVIA 4K Professional Displays BZ40H series. Our new BRAVIA 4K Professional Displays offer high brightness, high contrast, and Sony's advanced color reproduction, setting the standard in quality commercial displays. The BZ40H uses full-array direct LED to achieve high brightness and contrast for the best display experience. With BRAVIA 4K Professional Displays real-to-life color reproduction, video meetings are optimized to be immersive and realistic. You can easily distinguish the finest detail and characters. Using Sony's advanced X1 4K HDR processor with a wide range of colors and precision, the BZ40H enables you to reproduce the accuracy you need. You can easily change the presenter by inbuilt automatic HDMI switching. Without having to touch any equipment, use your own device wirelessly with BZ40H's Chromecast built-in and AirPlay, as well as supporting other recommended third-party wireless collaboration tools. Using BRAVIA's HTML5 platform, built for business in mind, applications can be operated smoothly from smartphones, controlled from servers or other third-party solutions. BZ40H series high brightness and high quality images enables maximum impact for your audience. The new BZ40H series sophisticated design is built for your business needs. High brightness, high contrast, high color reproduction, easy operation, powerful performance, high connectivity. The new BZ40H series. Bright, beautiful displays for your business. BRAVIA 4K Professional Displays. BZ40H series.